Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. Now that my little one is turning 1, it's time to make her some birthday cookies. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making Sofia the First birthday cookies. For our number 1 cookie, I'm going to start by flooding the bottom half of the cookie in a light gray. For my soft, piping consistency icing, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'll be using a number 4 Wilton tip. Now I'll let this bit of flooding set for about 20 minutes before I go in and add the top portion. Now we'll let this fully flooded cookie dry for 6 to 12 hours before we go in and add some piping detail. For the gray part of my number 1, I'm going to go in with some dry luster dust and just give it a brush of sparkle. This preciously purple number 1 is all done. For my emblem cookie, I'm going to start by flooding the base in a Sofia the First purple. For my piping consistency icing, I'm using a number 1 Ateco tip. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'm using a number 2 Wilton tip. So before this flooding surface has a chance to dry, I'm going to take my Royal Icing transfer and drop it right into the center of the cookie. Now we'll let this flooding dry for 6 to 12 hours before we go in with the piping detail. This violet V is all done and ready to be presented to Princess Vivian. For my crown cookie, I'm going to start by taking some white soft piping consistency icing and a number 5 Wilton tip and going along the edge of the cookie to create a frame. Now I'll let the frame on this cookie dry for about 20 minutes to an hour before I go in with some flooding icing in a light pink. Before the flooding icing has a chance to dry, we'll then drop in the Royal Icing transfer of Sofia's crown. This crown is done and fit for a princess. What was the theme of your little one's first birthday? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.